Welcome back, and today we're traveling through just a small section of the Barrens of Maine. The Barrens are the vast, wild blueberry fields east of Bangor, north of Columbia Falls, and west of Machias. The barrens are made up of a sandy soil that is blanketed by these low blueberry bushes, and this area is ideal for growing the lovely little edibles due to the fog that rolls in here from the down east coastal region. Fog. Sea smoke is what the locals call it. Where do these blueberries end up? Well, they're sold all over. They're sold locally, they're frozen and shipped up and shipped all over the planet. Whoever's a buyer can pick these up. You can buy them actually through Barrens of Maine. Now, Barrens of Maine is an interesting company. They're up in Old Town, and they gather together a whole bunch of different gifts from around Maine, and you can buy them. I'm going to put a link below, but in their box they have my favorite soda, the Moxie soda. They have our famous whoopie pies, Maine maple syrup. I know Vermont likes to get in and nudge, they like to have the market on that, but Maine makes perfect maple syrup. There's blueberry honey, there's Humpty Dumpty potato chips, Needham's chocolate. Who doesn't love Needham's chocolate? Coffee, Maine blueberry jam. Look at these. Look at the gifts. Click the link below. You'll get into this. This is if you know someone from Maine that wants to have something that's of Maine. This is the thing. Now I'm not I have no connection. The folks at Barrens of Maine have no idea who I am. I'm not. There's no sponsorship here. I just think they happen to have one of the coolest Maine gift boxes that's out there. Thanks for watching the video. More videos coming. Thanks for stopping by.